Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Nancy, and to my returning subscribers, karibuni nyumbani. And if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. And guys, we are road to 200 subscribers, so kindly support me. Subscribe, like, comment, and share the video if you like it. So I'm back with another video, and guys, thank you for your support. Yeah, I really appreciate it, and I don't take it for granted. So on today's video, we are going to cook something, and that is pure Kienyeji chicken. So let's start. So with me here I have the pure Kienyeji chicken and the tomatoes and onions that I'm going to use. So we start by cutting the tomatoes and onions. Yeah, so I wanna cut them those little lather. I'm not using any other spices, I'll just use these ones. Guys, comment down below how you find the video, and kindly subscribe to this video. Yes. Yeah, so we are done cutting the tomatoes. We are going to cut now the onions, these ones. I think they are enough to serve the purpose. Yeah, and let's cut this one. Done. So I guess now we can start cooking. Yes, I also have this Royco cube. We also use it because we don't have another spice. So we have this rice already here and it's clean. So let's cool. So tutaweka mafuta. So guys, let's add some little oil. Yes, so like that. And then we add now the onions. So together we turn brown, and then we add now the chicken, and then we add the tomatoes and these cubes, and then eat. See how it will taste. Yeah, so let's wait for them to turn brown, and then we add now the chicken. Yeah, to fry, and then we'll add the onions. Yeah, so let's give it some time. Let's see, it's almost inaanza kuturn. Yeah, it turn, and we add the pure Kienyeji chicken. Yeah. onions have turned brown, let me remove these. Put our chicken. And then we add the tomatoes later. Huku ni mingi hapa. So let's mix this nyama na vitunguu. So just like frying it. And then we'll add the tomatoes. We'll give it some time. Yeah, na nyanya itakuwa imeiva. Let's give it some time. Then we add the tomatoes. Now let's add the tomatoes and then give them some time. Alafu mambo itakuwa shwari kabisa. So this is how it has turned out. Kakuku kienyeji hapa. Yeah. Kuku kabisa unakula. Alafu.
A few moments later.
I'd forgotten to add this Royco cube. Yeah, so wacha tuchanganye hapa kidogo. Rate my cooking skills out of 10. Munaonaje? Inaweza haiwezi? So hivyo ndo kuku kienyeji shakuwa. So let's cook some ugali and veggies and then tukule. Pikeka ugali hapa. Sufuria imechemka. Tuonje nayo kienyeji tumepika. Like that. Yo. ishaiva. Sasa ni kutoa hapa and then tuonje vitu tumekuwa tukipika. Yeah. So wacha tutoe hapa kwanza. Let's put it here. Kamlima. So wacha tukate kidogo tuonje. Wacha sasa tukaonje tusikie. Nishanawa guys, msini judge. So
nice.
yeah, so guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.